Okay, this is a system for us to draw and simulate a physical system. As a simple example, I want to show a pendulum swing. So I can start by drawing the ceiling, a string, and a ball. I can also write down the equation if I'm a physics teacher who wants to show more details. So I'll say theta t equal to theta max, how to be the maximum angle, cosine two pi t over capital T. T will be 2 pi square root L over gravity. Okay, now let's the system interpret this result. Alright, so we got the result back. We can try to simulate it. See the pendulum actually swing around. We can change the system dynamically, like change the length of the string, change the gravity, either by dragging the slider on the left, or I can also directly click on the symbol to increase or decrease the gravity. Notice how that changed the speed of the swing. Similarly, I can also change the length of the string from the symbol over here. And I can also change the maximum angle by dragging the ball like this, or by using this symbol. Right, have fun!